Today we're diving into a topic that divides strugglers from winners in the world of day trading, and that is discipline. Now I know what you're thinking. Discipline, it's not the most glamorous thing to talk about when we're talking about trading. But trust me when I say it's a secret that will take your profits from average to outstanding. So if you're ready to unlock the power of discipline and skyrocket your trading success, then stick around, because in this video I'll be sharing game-changing tips that will take your discipline and your trading results to the next level. Step 1. You need to define your trading plan. I want you to make your trading plan as mechanical and robotic as possible. So basically you leave no room for guessing, and you leave no room for emotions to kick in. Where to buy, where to sell, what is the point of interest I'm looking for, what are the timeframes I'm trading, what are the timeframes I'm entering. No room for all of that. So make sure it is a well-defined roadmap and a well-defined playbook for you how to enter a trade. So in your trading plan you need 3 key elements. The first one is clear trading goals. What do you want to achieve for the week and what do you want to achieve for the month? Let's say you achieve those goals, are you going to quit trading or are you going to trade on to achieve even higher profits? This is very important because if you are trading on, you are again exposing yourself to the risk of losing that gained capital. But if you quit trading for the month, you are taking that paycheck home. So it is really important for you to know what you will do once your targets have been reached. The second one is your entry and exit strategies. Like I said, where are you entering in the market? Where are you exiting in the market? You need to know this before you enter your trade, because otherwise you will be entering at wrong places and you will be exiting at wrong places. Entering too high or too low can mess up your whole risk to reward with basically only a few pips. And if you don't know where to exit, you will be exiting too late or too early and then blame yourself for that. It will also help you avoid making impulsive decisions. Then the third thing is your risk management. Of course guys, this is one of the most important things. And one of the things that requires the most discipline is your risk management. How much are you risking per position? How many positions are you taking a day? How many positions can you lose a day? Consider all of these things and make sure they are present in your trading plan. And remember that a trading plan is dynamic, so it should evolve as you evolve. You will learn from your mistakes, you will see what's not working, you will see what's working great. And this way I want you to improve your trading plan. I would advise you to revise your trading plan at least once a month and even rewrite it every quarter. And you don't have to rewrite it much, of course, you don't have to make a whole new trading plan. Some tweaks can already do the job. Secondly, I want you to maintain a trading journal. You need to keep a detailed record of your trades so that you know where to improve and so that you know what you're doing good already. So your trading journal has again 3 key elements. The first one is track your trades. This is the most traditional trading journal that everyone knows, that is tracking your trades. Write down your entry, your exit, your risk to reward, the time duration of your trades, but also take screenshots of the higher time frame and the lower time frame. This way you can perfectly analyze the trade, even if you're reviewing it months after the trade has been taken. This will help you analyze patterns. Maybe you're just overseeing something when you're trading live, but whenever you're reviewing your trades, you can see these patterns and filter them out. Secondly, I want you to track your emotions. This is a tricky one, because for some of you it is not easy to write down your emotions in a book. We are basically keeping a diary, right? But I want you to reflect on your emotions every trade. Before the trade, during the trade, and after the trade. How are you feeling before you're entering? Are you itching? Are you feeling calm? Are you being alert? Or did you just roll out of bed? Write down all of these things. How are you feeling during the trade? Again, are you on the tip of your chair? Or are you just feeling relaxed? Are you feeling calm? And do the same for after your trade. Are you feeling angry? Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling content? And based on these emotions, we can practically see what you've done wrong. So if you're all itchy and on the tip of your chair and feeling all excited before you enter your trades, you're all probably about to risk too much or you're experiencing FOMO. So both of these scenarios are not great, okay? And this is something that you will find out, that these two are the main causes of those emotions whenever you are tracking your emotions. If this is happening during the trades, you're definitely risking too much, or your entry was just not that great. And if you're angry after the trade, it might be because it is a loss that was not on your trading plan, so it is a loss that could be avoided, or you just haven't taken peace yet with taking losses. But let me tell you this guys, every strategy has losses. You're looking for a place where you can journal your trades, write on your thoughts, and also take a look at your playbook. And you also want to keep yourself accountable to your morning routine, your evening routine, and you want to give yourself a grade based on that. But what if I told you there was even more? It is a place to do your weekly market outlooks, to have your strategy checklist, to have your trading plan, to write down your daily watch list, to write down your daily missed trades, and a place to keep your backtested trades organized. You also have hotkeys to all the trading websites that you need. You can also do a daily check-in with yourself to follow up your actions. This is the Trading Central 2.0. So it is important to know how much your win rate is, but then still realize if your win rate is 70%, you're still losing 3 out of the 10 trades. You can't get angry about every trade that you lose, because that will lead into more losing trades. And then your win rate is all messed up because of your psychology. So write those things down during your trades. And guys, if you're feeling lazy and you don't want to do this, why bother continuing on, right? If you're not profitable now, I'm literally telling you what to do. I'm literally telling you what to do if you're struggling with psychology. And you may be trying out this for 2 days, 3 days, and then you quit doing that. Why? Try this out for 3 to 6 months. If you're not profitable, then I don't know what to tell you. But I can almost guarantee you that if you do this 3 to 6 months with your psychology and also tracking your trades, analyzing your trades, being there, being present, being one with the markets, that you will be profitable. Okay, and the third thing is learn from your mistakes. Basically, we covered that already. That is why we're analyzing, right? We are analyzing our emotions and we are analyzing our trades, so that we can learn from that. Maybe we can identify recurring mistakes or patterns of undisciplined behavior, so that we can avoid making those same mistakes in the future. Then the third thing is set realistic expectations. Day trading can be a challenging endeavor, maybe one of the most challenging in the world. And it's essential to approach it with a realistic mindset. So guys, we're not going to get rich overnight. Only 1 out of 100 makes it, and it will take a lot longer than you think. So this is the harsh truth. I hope you still want to be a day trader, but this is just what you have to deal with. It is extremely challenging, but it is so worth it in the end. It is the best job that you can have in the world. You have no boss, you have no clients. You can make basically as much money as you want and as you can. You have location freedom, you have time freedom. It's literally the best job in the world. But of course that comes with its price. So again, 3 key elements to this step. Key element number 1, you have to accept your losses. Like I said, they are a part of trading, they are a part of your strategy, and it is crucial that you learn to accept them. As sooner that you accept them, the sooner that you won't get mad of your trades, that you won't revenge trade, or that you won't get scared to enter a new trade. So don't let losses demoralize you or lead you to impulsive actions. Stick to your plan and focus on the long-term results. Think about 100 trades. My strategy with 100 trades, 70 wins, 30, 40, 50% return, however much it is, that is my goal. Not the 3 to 5 trades in the future, right? The second key element is avoid overtrading. So you need to resist the urge to trade excessively. Overtrading leads to poor decision making and can lead to a burnout. So I would advise you to be patient and wait for high probability setups that align with your trading plan. Then the key element number 3 is take breaks. Trading is all mentally, so schedule regular breaks to relax and recharge. It might not seem as much and it might not seem that you need it, but we don't know what is going on in our minds. We are just going and always working, trying to improve, trying to find the next better trades. But sometimes you have to get 1 step back before you can go 2 steps forward. This will help you to make better decisions when you're trading actively. So then I want to give you some quick tips to improve your discipline, because it's something that some people are struggling with. I can tell you all of this, but if you're not sticking to your plan, if you're not journaling, if you're not reminding yourself of these realistic expectations, then what are we all doing it for? So basically, discipline is a skill, and a skill is something that you can learn. A skill is something that you can train. I always see a skill like a muscle. A muscle is something that you can train with progressive overload. Progressive overload means that you do a little bit more every training session. So a bit more reps, a bit more sets, a bit more weight, whatever it be. And that is the same with discipline. You have to get out of your comfort zone. And you have to get out of your couch, out of your bed. You have to start doing the work. But that is easier said than done. And some people are feeling really overwhelmed if they start doing that right away. If they start working 10 hours a day right away, right? If you're someone that is struggling with this and you're watching YouTube videos about trading, you're learning, you're studying, right? But while you're doing that, you're getting distracted by other videos. You watch a bit of this, you watch a bit of that. Your ICT video, for example, or your JoreFX video, for example, is going on the second tab, and you'll say, okay, I'll watch it later today. Let me just watch this video first. And let me watch this one episode of Friends first. And I'm using Friends as an example because this has been me lately. Anyway, this can be the downfall of you, and this can be the hurdle that is between you and success. Because you are sitting in front of your computer 10 hours a day, but you're only getting 1 hour of focused work in over the whole day. So when this is you, realize this and really get yourself back together. I want you to make time blocks. If you're struggling with this, be realistic, guys. Be honest with yourself of the time that you're behind the computer. How much time are you actually working? How much time are you actually analyzing, backtesting, watching educational content, reading books, can even count as work if you're just starting out and learning, right? So how much time are you actually doing that? So if you have your time, I want you to focus on doing 1.5 times that. So let's say you're doing 2 hours of work over the whole day. Try 3 hours of work and try to get that in before noon. Really make up a block where you're doing dedicated work and then you have free the afternoon, right? This way we are going to trick our brain into doing work so that we can be free, because that is how it goes, right? In 9 to 5, you're working so that you can be free afterwards, so that you can be free in the weekends. And now we got to use that because your brain is still wired like this. And now we can use this in our advantage because your brain is still wired like this. Work in the morning so that you can be free in the afternoon. And let's say you mess up the morning, right? You woke up late because you're undisciplined. Work the afternoon so that you can be free in the evening. Don't wake up late and you say, I missed my work block now. I just have to go on with my day, I guess. No, your work block just starts from when you wake up. Start with small things, like making your bed. Start with small things like eating a healthy protein-filled breakfast every single day. Making yourself a protein shake every single evening. Try to improve on little things every single day and try to get 1% better every single day. This way you won't feel overwhelmed, and this way it will still be in a way that it is bearable to get you up to that disciplined trader. So make yourself a routine and try to stick to it. Also, a very good tip is to find yourself an accountability partner. Find yourself a trading buddy, someone that is as focused as you, that wants it as bad as you, or even more, right? You don't want to be the person that is going to text them every single day, yo bro, did you wake up on time? Yo bro, are we backtesting together today? No. You gotta be both as invested in this if you truly want this, because otherwise it's not going to work. But if you find someone that is on the same level as you, it can take your trading and your life to a whole next level. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like down below if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye guys.